Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are your garden tools taking over your garage or backyard shed? Well, today we're diving into some fantastic storage ideas available on Amazon to help you reclaim your space and keep everything tidy, accessible, and ready to use. Let's get started. First up, wall-mounted solutions. These are perfect for saving floor space and keeping tools organized at eye level. One great option on Amazon is the Berry Avenue Tool Organizer. It comes with slots and hooks that can hold everything from shovels to small hand tools. And guess what? It can hold up to 50 pounds of weight. Impressive, right? I love how this system uses durable, non-slip rubber grips to hold your tools securely. Plus, it's super easy to install with just a drill and a few screws. Need something mobile? Check out portable storage options like the Rubbermaid Deluxe Tool Tower. This handy unit can store up to 40 tools, and the best part is it has wheels, so you can roll it wherever you're working in the garden. One of my favorite features? The built-in casters make it easy to move, even on uneven ground. Perfect for gardeners who need their tools within reach. Now, if you're like me and love using smaller tools, think pruners, trowels, and gloves, you'll love the stalwart utility box. It's compact, durable, and has plenty of compartments for sorting tools by type. No more digging through a pile of clutter. It's lightweight, so you can carry it around easily. And for the price? It's an absolute steal. For outdoor storage, durability is key. The Keter Store It Out Max is an all-weather storage shed that's perfect for larger tools or even a lawnmower. It's UV protected, waterproof, and designed to withstand all seasons. I also love its lockable doors. It keeps your tools safe and secure while looking stylish in your garden. Finally, for a creative and budget-friendly option, consider a combination of pegboards and hanging buckets. Products like the Wall Control Metal Pegboard let you customize your storage layout to fit your needs. This setup is not only practical but also adds a cool industrial vibe to your workspace. Plus, the hanging buckets are great for kids' tools or seed packets. And there you have it, 5 fantastic garden tool storage ideas that you can find right now on Amazon. Whether you prefer wall-mounted racks, mobile carts, or weatherproof sheds, there's something here for every gardener and every budget. Which of these ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more garden inspiration. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.